Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shimpa Masagari channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, tingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a monthly gabay for the month of September 2023 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus ang ating masasagap for today's video. Ano kaya kaganapan sa mga Taurus ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Okay, game, umpisa na natin. Okay, don't please like and subscribe my channel. Hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please click nyo na po subscribe button sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Taurus. There is a Knight of Wands. Whoa. There's a final push. And a star card. Parang unti-unti nang matutupad dito ang mga pangarap mo. Unti-unti na may isa sa katuparan ng mga hangarin mo. And of course, there's a real fortune. Umikot na ang kapalaran. There's a turning events or tinatawag natin gulong ng palad, no? Umikot na ang gulong ng palad. At sinasabi dito, with the sun card. See? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng inner clarity. And of course, enlightenment. And of course, parang ato ang pag-ikot ng kapalaran na to, parang ang papabor sa'yo ang eksena. What is additional messages? Okay, there's an Eight of Pentacles. Mag-focus ka sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. And of course, there's a King of Swords. Magkakaroon ka ng intellectual or mental clarity. Sinasabi sa'yo, mag-focus ka dyan sa negosyo mo at hanap buhay mo. Yan ang magdadala sa'yo patungo sa tagumpay. What is the Knight of Wands and the Star card? What is the Knight of Wands? Okay. Knight of Wands represent the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, being practicality about sa finances. Magtutuloy-tuloy na raw. There's a final push and of course, there's a resilience. Ibig sabihin, maging tahimik ka lang. Na unti-unti na yung may isa sa katuparan. Basta mag-focus and of course, tuloy lang ang laban. Of course, there's a Knight of Pentacles. Blossoming abundance. Star card. Kung abot kamay mo na ang mga panalangin. Abot kamay mo na ang mga hinihiling. Kumbaga ito ay bigay ng tala or ang ating mga stars. Kumbaga mukhang may isa sa katuparan na ang iyong mga pangarap at hiling. What is the Wheel of Fortune? There's the Lover's card. See? There's a turning event. Ibig sabihin dito, umigot ng kapalaran with you, with your partner. Mukhang ang swerte ngayon ay papasok sa inyong dalawa ng inyong loved ones. No? Ng inyong partner, ng inyong asawa at ng inyong boyfriend, girlfriend, or your husband, no, or husband, because there's a Queen of Pentacles, being confident, no, at sinasabi dito ay yung isang pinakasusi nyo, maging confident in everything and every do. What is Eight of Pentacles? There is a Knight of Wands. Okay, slow and steady. Na sinasabi sa'yo dito, mag-focus ka kung you are being dedicated dito sa trabaho. Kumbaga, mag-focus ka dyan, magdadala sa iyo ng tagumpay. Na sinasabi na slow and steady. Slowly but surely. What is King of Swords? There is a Queen of Swords. Wow. There's a divine and masculine energy that brings you intelligent and brings you enlightenment. Kumaga parehas kayo ng person mo, no? Kumaga talagang you are soulmate connections. Na parehas kayong nasa chart ko. What is the Knight of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles? Okay, there's a King of Cups. Oh, wow. You are being devoted and supportive person. What is the Star card and the Knight of Pentacles? There's a Chariot. Parating, ang daming eksena dito na gaganapin. No? And of course, there's a Six of Wands. There's a victorious success. There, you are also on the spotlight. No? Kayo ay pinagtitingin na para kayong nasa isang entablado na parehas kayo together with your husband and wife. Kumbaga lahat kayo ay, kayo ang tinututukan ng karamihan. Parang you are also a celebrity. What is the Sun card? And of course, the Queen of Pentacles. There's a Six of Cups. Oh, there's a lot of friends, or there's a lot of people na sinasabi sa dito, maging practical kayo. No? Kumbaga, unti-unti nang umuusbong o unti-unti nang namamayagpag ang inyong finances. What is the Eight of Pentacles and the King of Wands? Parang ang layo-layo na ang layo-layo niyo na sa dating kayo, no? Kumbaga talagang unti-unti nang nagkakaroon ng development and improvement sa inyo. And because there's a Ten of Swords, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, nagkaroon kayo ng freedom or kalayaan sa isang situation. About sa negosyo, hanap buhay, kumbaga ito na. Ito na yung parang sinampal kayo ng katotohanan sa lahat na nangyari sa inyo from the past few months, of past few years. What is the King of Swords and the Queen of Swords? Okay, there's a Page of Wands. There's a good news. May magandang balita na nakalaan sa inyong dalawa. No? What is additional messages? There is an Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups and of course the Eight of Swords. Kumbaga sinasabi dito sa'yo, lesson learned. Kailangan nyo kumawala sa mga negativity. Kailangan mong kumawala sa nakaraan. And of course, sinasabi the Hierophant, lesson learned. There's an education. There's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your gut feeling. And of course, the King of Pentacles, being practicality. And Ten of Wands. No, magkakaroon kayo ng relocations and magkakaroon kayo ng trouble. No? Kumbaga maraming natapos sa obligations, natapos sa responsibilities. Kumbaga ngayon, unwind na lang. Pasabog. What is the Love Oracle card? The Grim Reaper. Kumbaga, there's a transformation and growth. Na kumbaga, talagang ito magkakaroon kayo ng pasabog. And of course, there's a passion. Having fun. Magkakaroon kayo ng together time. Oh wow, ayun yun. Oras sa isa't isa. Magkakaroon na kayo ng oras sa isa't isa dito. Time to heal and progress. What is the chakra? What is the chakra? There's a faith. Wow. Sinusubukan ang pananampalataya at tiwala nyo. And of course, there's an enlightenment. I told you, di ba? Liwanag, magkakaroon kayo ng inner clarity. And there's a despondence. Ibig sabihin siguro dito sinasabi nito na parang your stress or you're feeling kumbaga hindi mo napapansin yung mga bagay sa paligid mo, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na parang irritable, ganon, or something na parang ganyan sinasabi dito. Kaya kailangan, kumbaga ito parang siya stress or something depressed. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumawala ka sa mga negatibo na yan, no? Yun yung kumbaga bibigyan ka ng enlightenment and faith. Susubukan kayo dyan, no? Kumbaga alisin niyo yung sarili nyo, yung or situation nyo dyan sa mga iniisip nyong negatibo. What is the angel's number? What is the angel's number? And of course, there's a 31, discipline. Yun yung kailangan mo dito, Taurus. Kailangan mo ng disiplina, no? Talagang minsan talaga matigas ang ulo mo at kulang ka talaga sa disiplina. Pero kailangan mo disiplinahin yung sarili mo kung gusto mo mapunta sa isang situation na talagang pampasabog, no? Your approach to life is an effective mix of both practicality and imagination. Your mind is stirring with the creative ideas and you have the organization skills to manifest them, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, kung gusto mo matupad o may sa katuparan ang gusto mong mangyari from the near future, ngayon pa lang baguhin mo na yung attitudes mo, no? Kumbaga bigyan mo na disiplina yung sarili mo. What is additional messages? Okay, what is additional messages? There's a fairies, enchantment. Oh, enjoy your life from the fullest. And of course, an unicorn, trust, no? Magtiwala kayo sa isa't isa. At maniwala kayo na kaya niyong yumabong, no? And there's obsidian. Okay, shielding, protecting, no? Kailangan niyo protection ng isa't isa. Magiging sandigan niyo yan. What is additional messages? Okay. There's a change, no? Yun yung kailangan no? Baguhin or mabago. May mga bagay na kailangan yung baguhin. At the same time, there's talaga proper full change, oh. And of course, forgiveness. Patawarin niyo yung sarili niyo sa mga bagay na hindi niyo kontrolado. No? Powerful changes dito. Sinasabi dito, there's a changes coming in for you. The star of the night. You are also star of the night. Archangel Michael, your children are watched over by angels. So, ibig sabihin, ginagabayan ng inyong mga anak. So, what is additional messages for this energy? Okay, there is a second chakra, Archangel Ariel, about sa finances. And there's a journey. No? Kumbaga, part of your journey yung mangyayari na yan. Kumbaga, there's a development transformation. And of course, sinasabi dito, guys, there's a caring connection. Tara, caring connection ng third chakra. Ay, sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron. Parang, kidlatos. Magkakaroon ka ng isang pasabog na sorpresa. What is the Jesus loving quotes? Forgive and you shall be forgiven, no? Marunong ka magpatawad kung gusto mong patawarin ka ng taong nagkasala sa'yo. And of course, what things soever you desire when you pray, believing that you receive them and you shall receive them. Ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay tayong hinihiling. May mga bagay tayo na gusto mo isa sa katuparan. Pero sinasabi sa'yo dito, hilingin mo at dasalin mo yan ng taimtim na bukal sa loob mo para ipagkaloob sa'yo ng ating Panginoon. So what is the messages of life? Sa totoo lang, ha? Ganun talaga, ang pinakasusi, ang susi ng paghiling sa ating Ama ay nanggagaling sa puso. No? Sa puso talaga yan, What is the messages of life? Together in the light. So what is that together in the light? I give things for all who enter my life. I understand we are all exactly who's and where are supposed to be. And every contributes to each other personal growth. Every reaction someone draws for me is a gift of their soul to mine, meant to help me, to free me from my inner conflicts today by focusing on my own development rather than on others. Plus, I become one with the divine. Ibig sabihin dito, alam mo sa sarili mo na kasama ka, no? Kasama ka sa liwanag. Kasama ka na magbibigay kaliwanagan sa mga bagay-bagay. No? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito, lahat ng komplikado, lahat ng mga obstacles, failures, conflict, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na yan, bibigyan niya ng kasagutan in the near future. Alam mo na, kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo ay part talaga ng journey mo to enhance you, to discover anything na magkakaroon ng expansion sa'yo. So, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. This reading is a monthly gabay for the month of September 2023 for the sign of Taurus. Maraming salamat, Taurus, for your wonderful reading. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!